Thinking about buying new construction? Hold that thought and watch this video first. Before you sign that contract with a new builder, it's essential to take a step back and examine the intricacies of the new home buying process. Hi, I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team, and welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of real estate. Today, I'm going to share with you essential insights about buying new construction homes. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, this video is packed with information you need to know before making your decision. Please stay tuned until the end for a special bonus tip that could be a game changer in your home buying journey. Now, let's address this up front. Buying a new construction home differs significantly from acquiring a resale property. The most significant question mark in the new construction world revolves around when your dream home will be move-in ready and when the closing ceremony will take place. The new construction process involves many moving parts, and I'm here as your trusted real estate advisor to ensure you're well informed, especially when it comes to understanding the timeline. In the next few moments, I'll walk you through this process step by step, just as I do with all my clients. These essential tips I'm about to share with you will provide a clear roadmap for navigating new construction with confidence. Let's get started. Number 1, it's crucial to engage a real estate professional who specializes in new construction. Here's why it's a no-brainer decision. Some buyers think they might get a better deal if they bypass a buyer's agent, but that's simply not the case. The reality is that a knowledgeable realtor can negotiate a better deal for you compared to walking in unrepresented. Hiring a buyer's agent comes with numerous advantages. To start, they are well-versed in asking all the right questions when negotiating with builders, ensuring you secure the best deal possible for your purchase agreement. Step number 2, have your real estate agent arrange a meeting with a new home builder and explore the different floor plans. You see, if you venture to the sales office without your real estate agent on your first visit, you might find yourself going solo in navigating the entire process. Why is having a realtor represent you so important when buying a new construction? It's because your realtor is your champion, tirelessly working to ensure your needs and preferences are prioritized throughout the entire home buying process. Let me illustrate this with a real-life example from my own experience. Not so long ago, one of my clients, who was a first-time home buyer in Maryland, decided to explore a new construction site independently. They were thrilled with the possibility of owning a new home, but hadn't fully grasped the complexities of the buying process. Upon their arrival at the sales office, the builder's team greeted them with open arms, of course. But as the conversation progressed and they began to review floor plans, my client felt overwhelmed. It became clear that navigating the nuances of a purchase without a professional guidance could lead to overlooking crucial aspects. Thankfully, my client reached out to me while they were still at the construction site. I immediately headed over to assist them. Upon my arrival, I introduced myself to the builder's team and made sure my client was recognized as being under my representation. Thanks to my established connections and extensive experience working with various builders across Maryland, I was able to negotiate effectively on behalf of my client. Not only did the builder agree to have me as the buyer's agent, but I also managed to secure a deal for my client that surpassed their expectations, a deal they likely wouldn't have achieved on their own. Step number 3, make sure you ask important questions when consulting with a new home builder. For example, what is their base price and what does that price include? It's crucial to understand the starting point for pricing. Are there any lot premiums added on top of the base price? Lot locations can substantially impact the final cost of your home. Do they have spec homes available for the floor plan you like? And which lots are currently available for the floor plan you want to build on? Understanding lot availability is also essential for planning. Now let's consider some questions for you and your family. What's your timelines? Do you need a quicker move-in with a spec home, or can you wait for a brand new build? Are there any potential delays to consider? If you're renting, check if your landlord offers month flexibility or if you need to move out quickly. Step 4, don't forget to ask the builder about incentives, deals, or promotions available. Everyone loves a good deal, and I'm no exception. So once you've settled on the purchase price for your new build, it's time to discuss incentives with the sales consultant. Incentives are essentially promotions and deals offered by builders to finalize a sale. Now let's dive into the various incentives you might inquire about. Builders often advertise their incentives online or at their sales office, so make sure you fully understand what those promotions entail. Are they offering to pay part or all of their closing costs, which typically amount to be about 3 to 5% of the purchase price here in Maryland? Ask about interest rate buydowns. With rising interest rates, many builders use interest rate buydowns and promotions to attract buyers. For example, they might offer a rate like 4.99% to entice buyers to come in. I recently helped a client on a new home and successfully negotiated a total of 6% towards not only closing costs, but also additional funds for the buydown, resulting in a significant amount of savings. Therefore, always ask builders about their current incentives, but remember that some of these offers may be limited time only. Keep in mind that these builder incentives might be tied to using a specific lender. Ensure your realtor investigates any additional requirements to take advantage of these incentives. Additionally, it's wise to compare the builder's preferred lender with other local lenders. Your realtor can assist in this comparison by analyzing the terms, rates, and fees offered by different financial institutions. This ensures that you're not only taking advantage of the builder's incentive, but also getting the best possible mortgage deal. By exploring all your options and making an informed decision, you can maximize your savings and find a financing solution that best suits your needs and financial situation. Ask about design credits. Builders might offer design credits, and I've seen them ranging from $10,000 to $30,000 just to encourage a deal. These credits are essentially financial allowances provided by the builder, which can be used towards various upgrades and customizations in the home. When a builder offers design credits, they're giving buyers the opportunity to apply these funds towards selecting higher-end finishes, fixtures, or features that aren't included in their standard package. This can mean upgrading from standard to premium flooring materials, choosing higher quality countertops, installing custom cabinetry, or selecting more advanced appliances. It's important for buyers to understand the terms and conditions associated with design credits. Some builders might restrict the use of these credits to specific areas or items. For instance, a builder might allow the credits to be used for kitchen upgrades, but not for structural changes. Additionally, there might be deadlines by which these credits must be used, typically tied to construction timelines or design center appointments. When negotiating with the builder, it's wise to inquire about the availability of design credits and to understand their scope fully. Your realtor can assist in these negotiations, ensuring that you maximize the value of any design credits offered. They can also help you understand how to best allocate these credits to achieve your desired home aesthetics while staying within your budget. Another critical aspect to consider post-purchase is the completion of your backyard. In new home constructions, backyards are usually unfinished, essentially just dirt lots. Depending on the Homeowners Association rules, you may have a time frame ranging from 6 months to a year to complete your backyard landscaping. This is an additional expense that needs to be considered when buying a new home. In my experience, every item listed in the purchase agreement is open to negotiation. As a buyer, you should feel empowered to discuss and negotiate. Now let's talk a little bit more about spec homes. A spec home, short for specification homes, is a property that builders construct based on popular floor plans or sought-after upgrades. Unlike model homes, which are primarily for display, spec homes are available for immediate purchase, offering a quick move-in date. This is especially appealing if you're looking to avoid the 6 to 8 month waiting period associated with homes that have not started construction. Spec homes often present more negotiation opportunities, as builders might be motivated to sell their homes quickly to close out a community, start a new phase inside the community, or meet year-end goals. This urgency can lead to potential discounts or incentives for buyers. It's important to have your realtor inquire about spec homes and explore what kind of deals or closing cost credits might be available for those nearly ready homes. Purchasing a spec home can offer significant value and opportunities. For instance, last December, I was contacted by a builder in Maryland who needed to sell their spec home before the year's end. They offered our buyer client a substantial $20,000 discount and a closing cost credit. Sweet, right? Deals like this highlight the potential benefit of considering a spec home when you're looking into new construction. Now let's dive into the purchase contract. When you reach the stage of signing the purchase agreement for your new construction home, It's absolutely essential to meticulously review every detail of the contract. This document is not just a formality, it's a binding agreement that outlines the specifics of your home purchase, including completion timelines, payment schedules, and interest rate stability. Understanding these elements is crucial in preparing yourself for both the financial and temporal commitments of your new home. One key aspect to be aware of is that builders typically use their own contracts, which often contain terms that are more protective of their interests than those of the buyer. This is where the expertise of your trusted realtor becomes invaluable. Your realtor can help you navigate the complexities of the builder's contract, ensuring that you fully understand its implications. They can also assist in identifying and negotiating any terms that might be unfavorable to you. It's also important to discuss and understand the contingencies that can be added to the contract to protect you as the buyer. These contingencies can cover a range of scenarios, such as delays in construction, changes in interest rates, or issues discovered during the final inspection. By having these contingencies in place, you safeguard your interests and ensure that you have options should unforeseen circumstances arise. As you review the purchase agreement, don't hesitate to ask questions about any clauses or terms that are unclear. Remember, this is about securing your future home, and you want to ensure that everything aligns with your expectations and needs. Your realtor is there to support you through this process, providing clarity and guidance to help you make informed decisions. Now it's bonus tip time. Just as I promised, here's a little helpful tip to help you save some money during your new construction journey. And it's a smart strategy to keep in mind. Ask about the builder's title insurance and the possibility of obtaining a reissue rate. This isn't something that's always offered up front, so you've got to be proactive and mention it yourself. Why is this important? Well, obtaining a reissue rate could lead to significant savings for you. My advice: make sure you pay attention to this detail during the paperwork phase of your new home purchase. By obtaining a reissue rate on the title insurance, you could save several $100s off your policy and lower your cash to close. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Lily Vallario, the team leader of the Sold by Lily team. If you're looking to reach out, you'll find my contact information in the description box below. Should you have any questions or need clarification on anything, please do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. I'm always eager to assist and provide answers to all your questions. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video.